Hi everyone, welcome to my video featuring the cute crochet baby girl hat. I'll be showcasing this adorable handcrafted accessory that's perfect for keeping your little one cozy and stylish. Made with soft high quality acrylic yarn, this hat is gentle and comfortable. Tune in to see how this charming hat can add a touch of sweetness to any outfit. I decided to crochet the hat with crochet hook 4.5 mm. I'll be using yarn in two colors. This is mustard and cream. This is the hat. The size is for 3 to 6 months baby girl. I'll begin the baby hat with the mustard color. I'll make a slip knot. Chain 2 and I'll work 12 double crochets into this circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and the last one 12 double crochet. Tie the yarn to avoid a hole and let's join to the first stitch to close the round. Round 2, chain 2. I'll increase now, yarn over, and I'll work 2 double crochets in every stitch. I'll join with slip stitch to close the round. This round is completed, and the round 3 to begin I'll make chain 2 and in every odd stitch I'll work 2 double crochets. In every even stitch I'll work 1 double crochet. 1, 2 double crochets into the first stitch, 1 double crochet in the next, then 2 double crochets in the next, and 1 double crochet. Repeat the stitches. And 1 double crochet in the last stitch and close the round with slip stitch. Round 3 is completed. Chain 2 and I continue to increase 2 double crochets into the first stitch, yarn over, and 1 double crochet in the next, yarn over, 1 double crochet in the next. I repeat the stitches all around until I finish round 4. Yarn over, 2 double crochets, yarn over, 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches, yarn over, 2 double crochets, yarn over, 1 double crochet and double crochet, yarn over, 2 double crochets, 1 double crochet and 2 double crochet, 1, 2 double crochets, 1 double crochet and 2 double crochet, 1, 2 double crochets, 1 double crochet, second double crochet and 2 double crochets. We'll make the last increase, 2 double crochets and 1 double crochet in the last 2 stitches. Then I'll finish this round. I have 4 rounds completed. Chain 2. I'll start round 5. For this round, I work crossed double crochets. Skip the first stitch and make double crochet in the next. Yarn over, back to the skipped stitch and work double crochet. Yarn over, skip the next stitch and make double crochet. Yarn over, back to the skipped stitch and work double crochet. I'll repeat this easy step until I finish the round. And I'll work the last cross double crochet, join to close the round. For the first round I have 12 double crochets, for the second round I have 24 double crochets, for the third round I have 36 double crochets, and for the fourth round I have 48 double crochets. Round 6 will be the same as round 5. Chain 2, yarn over, skip the first stitch, make double crochet, yarn over, back to the skipped stitch and work cross double crochet, yarn over, double crochet, yarn over, back into the skipped stitch and work double crochet. When I finish this round, I'll continue to crochet this texture This round is completed. I have 6 rounds ready and I'll crochet 5 more rounds. I just finished round 11. Do not cut the yarn. I'll switch the colors now. round 11, chain 1 and work single crochet until the end of this round. Insert the hook into the first stitch and make a slip stitch. Then continue with the first color. So I'll continue with the mustard color. Chain 2, yarn over. I'll skip the first stitch and I'll work 3 double crochets in the next. I'll skip the next stitch and make single crochet in the following stitch. Yarn over, skip 1 stitch and make 3 double crochets. Skip 1 stitch and make a single crochet. Yarn over, skip 1 stitch, 3 double crochets, skip 1 stitch and make a single crochet. Continue to repeat the stitches all around. One single crochet in this stitch and I'll join with slip stitch to close the round. Then change the color. I'll continue with the last round. Chain 2 and I'll work 3 double crochets in this stitch. 1, 2 and 3. And now I will make single crochet into the middle stitch of the next group of 3 double crochets from previous round. In this single crochet from previous round I work 3 double crochets. 1, 2 and 3. Single crochet into the middle stitch of the next 3 double crochets, then 3 double crochets. Single crochet, yarn over and 3 double crochets. Single crochet, then 3 double crochets. In the last single crochet, then I'll join to the first double crochet to close this round and to finish the head. This is wonderful gift for twin baby girls. Thank you to stay with me until the end of the video. If you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe to stay updated. I appreciate your support and can't wait to share more with you in my next video.